Hello, this is me, Zunaida Swanson, and today I'm going to introduce you to my chick. It's the yellow and white chick, mixed colors. These are the chicks. They had gone there. You just have to bring them back slowly. See this black chick? It's very fast. They can fly, they can jump, even they can run fast. You can even catch them. Here I will show you one. It's my favorite chick. It comes to me whenever I see it because I've holding it and let it go. Here are my other types of chicks. And here the very baby chicks with their mother. They don't have a father. And this is the middle chick. It's actually growing. And here's the rooster. The roosters with the other chicks. And the chicks are following them. You can see the rooster even closer. It runs very fast if I chase him. See? It runs. I like to eat my mother's food. I like to eat my mother's plants. And even they are just, and they go in the little one's house. There it goes. And here are all types of my chicks. And one has gone over there. It's my favorite chick too. These all are. And this is one too. It likes to eat food very much.